We're live. Hi, everyone. Joanne Francis here from Daily Skin Solutions. I'll be looking back and forth because I'm doing live from both. Daily Skin Solutions, the solution to daily skin health, healthy skin. First, I always start with saying free consultation, no obligation. If you have questions, call or text 561-785-4012. So here to tell you about the difference. Today's subject is what's the difference? What is the difference from over-the-counter products to professional pharmaceutical grade daily skincare solutions? So you can always also visit www.dailyskinsolutions.com. This helps to get you to get an idea of what's ingredients and reading about it, but nothing like a skin coach. I'm here for you. Okay, so the difference that I'm talking about today, over-the-counter products and professional pharmaceutical grade daily skin solutions. Pharmaceutical grade means they go through rigorous testing. Pharmaceutical grade means that they are available only through a licensed professional. Pharmaceutical grade skincare means not only contain higher percentage of active ingredients, but also a highest quality of each ingredient. Pharmaceutical grade also means that they have met additional purity and quality standards set by the FDA for being more effective and better quality. Over-the-counter products or ingredients are industrial grade. They're not regulated. There's no ingredient strong enough to do anything. It just sits on the surface of the skin and can be more irritating and cause more problems. Daily Skin Solutions is the highest pharmaceutical grade ingredients, such as the 90% green tea. This is one of the reasons why Daily Skin Solutions has taken out most of, if not all, irritation, redness, flaking, anything that could be irritating when you're trying to do anti-aging. You will never see Daily Skincare Solutions at any store, outlet, or on Amazon. You are only going to get the purest and best quality of skincare. www.dailyskinsolutions.com. And how do you know what to try? Well, it's not trying skincare when it's professional. Well, no samples to see what it's like. It can take up 2 cell cycles, 6 to 12 weeks, in order to get your skin back to being healthy again. Healthy skin like when we were 0 to 10 years old. But it takes 1 or 2 cell cycles. Samples or trying it is not going to give you the results that you're looking for. Professional daily skin solutions is, you got to know what is right for you, because when you're going to invest in any product, and a lot of people have wasted so much money trying different products. Why waste the money on trying different products when you can have your skin coach to let you know exactly what is right for you and your skin, your issues and your concerns? That means getting to the cause of your issues or concerns. Whether it's acne, melasma, pigmentation, wrinkles, fine lines, dryness, sensitivity, I can go on and on. But there's reasons that cause that, and they are at the dermal layer of the skin, not at the surface. This is where Daily Skin Solutions products go, to the dermal layer of the skin. So you're not just treating the effect of the skin and what you see on the surface. It goes deeper with Daily Skin Solutions. Healthy skin, getting your free consultation is ongoing for adjustments. So depending on your skin's conditions when we meet, and it could be Instagram, Facebook, FaceTime, it's no charge. It depends on where your skin is at. First and foremost, the skin needs to get healthy. Then we add any corrective products, because you don't want your skin who can be on fire and add retinol or do lasers or do peels. You got to have the right balance of water balance in the skin and the natural hydration balance in the skin for any product, treatment, correction, or ingredients to do the best job. So it is a process, but you want to do it right. Throwing this out from nowhere, but it's like me wanting to cook a turkey for Thanksgiving. I'm not going to just take it out of the plastic and throw it in the oven. There's preparation that has to be done first. This is including getting the skin healthy and strong and helping also at the same time to prevent further damage and further issues. We do not stop chronological aging. We're going to age, but we do help prevent and help to stop the effects of premature aging. That is from your environment, pollution, stress, sun, wrong products, moisturizers, conventional moisturizers. These are the things that prematurely age us. So the difference between over-the-counter products and professional products, pharmaceutical grade, like Daily Skin Solutions. Again, you'll never see it sold in any Amazon or anything that could be fake. This is the real stuff. This is your real consultant, Joanne Francis here. Reach out, 561-785-4012. Call or text with questions. Please like and share these videos. Help others find me. Those who know me and I've helped for years, please comment and like these videos. So many people are struggling out there and wasting so much time and money, but not getting results. So that's what I'm here for. So again, www.dailyskinsolutions.com. You're welcome to read about it, but most important, free consultation. 561-785-4012. The fun part about the store is look at some of the other tabs. We're adding all kinds of good and fun things, like sunscreen shirts like I'm wearing, all different things, skirts. We're going to have an incredible makeup line that's a natural makeup line. We're looking forward to adding more and more. Let me know what you'd like to see, because if it's going through Joanna James Francis, you know it's going to be the best. So I thank you everyone for joining. Again, please like and share this video, and I look forward to our next live. Everybody have a great day.